Hi, my name is Jason Dara. I'm VP of Operations at Pace Processing. Since our inception 10 years ago, we have grown our bakery-based business exponentially by supplying our customers with fresh products on a timely basis. Due to the nature of our products, we require a large amount of cooling and freezing capacity, and because of that, if something goes wrong, the potential for product loss is significant. CustomAir has the ability to dispatch knowledgeable, certified technicians to our 24/7 operation in short order. We recently expanded to include an additional spower freezer, along with a new cooler and storage freezer. The CustomAir team was able to supply, install, and commission all of the new units in a short time frame, all while coming in under budget. CustomAir has not only helped us expand our business, but they continue to provide us with professional, expert service as we grow. I would highly recommend the CustomAir team to any facilities requiring HVAC, plumbing, or boiler services.